Lux. Lux, also known as Neurolux, is a sleek and portable bidet designed to bring comfort and hygiene wherever you go in 2026. It's compact, rechargeable, and delivers a strong, adjustable water stream that helps reduce the need for wipes and excess toilet paper. Thanks to its collapsible design, it easily fits into backpacks or travel bags, making it ideal for travelers, commuters, and outdoor lovers. The built-in UVC system keeps the water clean by reducing bacteria, even when refilling from public sources. With simple one-button operation and multiple pressure settings, Neurolux is incredibly easy to use without any installation. It combines smart design with practical hygiene features, offering a modern solution for daily life and adventures. Whether you're traveling, camping, or just managing a busy routine, Neurolux ensures you stay clean anytime, anywhere. Burley Coho XC. The Burley Coho XC is a rugged all-terrain bike trailer designed for cyclists who love outdoor adventures and backcountry exploration. Built to handle rough single tracks and uneven trails, this trailer offers an impressive 70-pound carrying capacity, making it perfect for hauling camping gear, supplies, or extra equipment on long rides. Its single-wheel design allows for smooth and precise tracking behind the bike, while the coil spring suspension helps absorb bumps and rough terrain for a more comfortable ride. For added convenience, the trailer includes a height-adjustable kickstand and a quick-release system that makes attaching and removing it fast and simple. Constructed from durable yet lightweight 6061T6 aluminum, the frame weighs only 21.5 pounds while still providing excellent strength and reliability. It also offers 70 liters of cargo space and folds down into a compact size for easy storage and transport. With its stable 16-inch wheel and versatile design, the Burley Coho XC is a dependable companion for cyclists who want a practical and durable solution for outdoor adventures. Smith Fly Shish Tent. The Smith Fly Shish Tent is a unique portable tent designed for adventure lovers who want comfort anywhere on the water. Compact enough to fit in most backpacks, it's made from tough, waterproof materials like polyester, PVC, and TPU to handle outdoor conditions with ease. Instead of traditional poles, this tent uses air pressure to form a strong, stable structure that can stand up to high winds. It features 3 air chambers that inflate to 2.5 psi, along with an inflatable floor pumped to 10 psi that also works as a comfortable air mattress. Getting in and out is simple thanks to the tear-away top and convenient side exit port. The tent comes complete with a storage bag, repair patch kit, and a manual foot pump. With space for up to 4 people and their gear, an 8x8 feet footprint, and a height of 6.3 feet, it's perfect for camping on ponds, lakes, rivers, or even the ocean. With the Smith Fly Shish Tent, the water becomes your campsite. Space Camper Bike. The Space Camper Bike is an innovative mix of electric cargo biking and micro-camping, designed for modern explorers who want freedom on the move. Built on the strong Ray and Muller Load 75 EC cargo bike platform, it turns ordinary travel into a mobile lifestyle. The cargo area transforms into a multi-purpose space with a reclining seat that easily converts into a comfortable bed, a practical mobile workstation, and a soft roof that provides shelter from sun or rain. Its lightweight aluminum frame keeps it nimble, while the powerful Bosch pedal assist mid-drive motor makes uphill rides and long trips effortless. With the option of a double battery pack, you can cover up to 100 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for weekend adventures or longer journeys. Whether you want to ride through city streets, stop to work in nature, or rest under the stars, the Space Camper Bike offers a flexible, eco-friendly way to travel, work, and sleep, giving nomads a unique combination of mobility, comfort, and independence wherever they go. Crew Accord Tent. The Crew Accord tent feels more like a fully equipped base camp than a regular camping tent. It's a perfect setup for music festivals, weekend adventures, or longer camping trips with friends and family. Even though the tent is large and spacious, setting it up is incredibly simple. Instead of traditional poles, it uses inflatable air beams that allow the entire structure to stand in about a minute, making the process fast and stress-free. One of its standout features is the tailgate-compatible porch area, which is large enough to fit a vehicle underneath. This creates extra storage space for gear or a shaded area to relax during hot days. The tent is also built to handle different weather conditions with its strong 5,000 mm waterproof rating. Multiple ventilation points help keep fresh air flowing inside, while the full mesh insect screen keeps bugs out. On top of that, built-in skylights let campers enjoy beautiful night skies and stargazing from inside the tent. TENTRAX Ascend. If a massive RV feels too expensive or just plain impossible to park, the Tentrax Ascend is the ideal solution for your adventurous spirit. This lightweight beast is built to tackle any terrain you throw at it, from the sun-scorched deserts of Jordan to the rugged, snowy peaks of North America. It is equipped with oversized tires and a sturdy fiberglass body that can handle a serious beating while remaining easy to tow. Inside, you will find a cozy sleeping area with a soft mattress and a generous lockable storage space to keep your gear secure and organized. The tent itself is impressively durable, specifically designed to withstand water, harsh sun, and mold without breaking a sweat. Essentially, the Tentrax Ascend is the ultimate minimalist motorhome for thrill seekers who want to escape the grid without the bulk or maintenance of a traditional rig. It's compact, incredibly tough, and ready to follow you wherever the trail leads, proving that you truly do not need a massive footprint to have a massive adventure in the great outdoors. MSR Mesh House 1. The MSR Thru Hiker Mesh House 1 is designed for minimalist hikers who prioritize weight, comfort, and simplicity. Weighing only 0.88 pounds, it is extremely lightweight, making it an ideal choice for long-distance trekking and backpacking where every gram matters. Despite its light build, it offers reliable protection with a 600 mm waterproof rating, helping keep you dry during light to moderate rain conditions. The full mesh construction ensures excellent airflow inside the shelter, reducing condensation and keeping the interior cool and comfortable. At the same time, it provides solid protection against insects, making your outdoor rest more peaceful. The setup is quick and hassle-free thanks to durable aluminum poles, allowing you to pitch the shelter in just a few minutes. When packed, its compact design, measuring about 8 feet in length, makes it easy to carry and store in your backpack without taking up much space. Smith Air Bungalow. The Smith Air Bungalow is a unique camping tent designed to feel more like a cozy outdoor cabin than a traditional tent. Its bungalow-style design creates a comfortable and spacious atmosphere, making it perfect for family trips or group adventures. The interior is large enough to accommodate up to 10 people, providing plenty of room for sleeping, relaxing, and storing camping gear during longer stays. Built with durability in mind, this tent is fully waterproof and strong enough to handle harsh weather conditions, including winds reaching nearly 80 kilometers per hour. It is also made to withstand extreme temperatures, whether you are camping in freezing cold conditions or intense summer heat. Large mesh windows surround the structure, allowing fresh air to flow through the tent while helping to reduce condensation inside, keeping the space cool, comfortable, and well ventilated throughout your trip. Go Sun Camp 365. The Go Sun Camp 365 is a compact and portable camper built for people who love outdoor adventures and off-grid travel. Designed with both convenience and comfort in mind, this innovative camper is lightweight and easy to tow, making it perfect for road trips and camping getaways. Inside, the Camp 365 features a smart and functional layout that includes a compact kitchenette with a sink, stove, and storage space for cooking essentials and supplies. It also comes with a fold-out dining table and a comfortable seating area, creating a relaxing space to enjoy meals or unwind after a long day outdoors. The interior is designed to maximize space and can comfortably sleep up to 6 people, making it ideal for families or small groups. One of its most impressive features is the integrated solar power system. Built-in solar panels on the roof collect solar energy to power the camper's appliances and electronics, allowing campers to enjoy a more eco-friendly and off-grid experience without relying heavily on external power sources. Eco Capsule. Imagine living completely off-grid in a futuristic egg-shaped pod designed to be fully self-sustaining. The Eco Capsule is far more than just a small shelter. It's a smart micro-home that combines modern eco-friendly technology with a bold, eye-catching design. Built for independent living, it generates its own power through rooftop solar panels and a quiet built-in wind turbine, allowing you to live comfortably almost anywhere. It also features a rainwater collection and filtration system that provides clean water whenever you need it. Thanks to its advanced insulation, the interior stays comfortable in both hot and cold climates. Inside, the compact space is carefully designed with a cozy bed, a small kitchenette, a bathroom, and practical storage solutions, all arranged in a sleek, minimalist layout. Whether you want to escape busy city life or embrace a mobile off-grid lifestyle, the Eco Capsule offers freedom, sustainability, and modern comfort in one innovative package. Prices start at around $89,000, making it a unique step toward the future of sustainable living. Crua Modus. The Crua Modus is much more than a regular tent. It's an all-in-one camping system built for comfort, flexibility, and convenience. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want a smarter camping setup, it can transform into a tent, sleeping bag, air mattress, bug mesh shelter, fly sheet, picnic blanket, and even a hammock. One of its most unique features is the detachable fly sheet, which can be hung between trees to create a shaded, relaxing area. Multiple Crua Modus systems can also be connected together, allowing campers to expand their space for larger group adventures. For added comfort, the mattress is self-inflating, making setup quick and hassle-free. The sleeping bag is made with graphene-infused insulation fibers that help retain warmth during colder nights outdoors. Whether you're stargazing, relaxing at camp, or settling in for a good night's sleep, the Crua Modus delivers a practical and versatile camping experience for people who value both comfort and functionality. Darsh Streamliner. The Darsh Streamliner is a lightweight and compact rooftop tent designed for quick and effortless setup as well as easy pack down, making it a great choice for travelers who prioritize convenience and portability. It features a low-profile clamshell design and weighs only around 69 kilograms, which keeps it easy to mount and manage on most vehicles. Despite its compact build, it offers a surprisingly comfortable sleeping space for 2 people. The interior is built with durable 280 GSM ripstop polycotton canvas walls, providing strength, weather resistance, and breathability. Inside, you also get a 50 mm memory foam mattress paired with an anti-condensation mat for better comfort and moisture control during overnight stays. For added practicality, The tent includes built-in LED lighting and multiple ventilation points to maintain airflow and a comfortable sleeping environment. Overall, the Darsh Streamliner typically falls in the price range of around $3,500 to $4,500, positioning it as a premium yet compact rooftop camping solution. TED Pop. The TED Pop is an expandable hard-shell rooftop tent and holds the title of the world's largest pop-up hard-shell rooftop tent, comfortably sleeping up to 4 people. Built with premium materials, it features high-density canvas and a UV-resistant fly sheet for durability and protection against the elements. Its honeycomb triple-layer floor is specially designed to prevent condensation while supporting heavy loads, ensuring a comfortable and stable sleep. Setting up TED Pop is incredibly simple. It pops up in seconds, and the dual expandable design lets you extend the sides to create extra space inside. With 2 entrances, getting in and out is convenient for everyone. Whether you're into camping, overlanding, or outdoor adventures, TED Pop combines comfort, practicality, and durability in one package. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor experience. Priced at $3,290, it's a premium solution for adventurous travelers who don't want to compromise on comfort or space. Seal 7.50 meters. The Seal 7.50 meters is a luxury amphibious caravan created by the Turkish company Seal Vans. It's a unique 2-in-1 vehicle that works both as a trailer on land and as a boat on water. You can tow it like a regular caravan and then convert it into a boat when you're ready to cruise, giving you the freedom to explore destinations that are only accessible by both land and water. Measuring 7.5 meters, around 25 feet, in length, the Seal 7.50 meters offers generous living space. Inside, it can comfortably sleep up to 3 adults or a family of 2 adults and 2 children. The layout includes a practical kitchen, a compact bathroom with a shower, and cozy seating. The main bed is complemented by an optional extra bed for added flexibility. Before taking it onto the water, it's important to check with local authorities, as you may need a special license or permit depending on your location.